30+ years of precision engineering and 5 generations of GTI have led us here. AWE's 180 technology available on the GTI for the first time ever. Stick around and I'll tell you all about it. Hey everyone, I'm Sarah and this is the Product Rundown, a series where we go inlet to tip on one of our exhaust suites. In today's episode, we're checking out the Mk8 GTI. We offer 2 catback configurations for the Mk8, both of which I'll show you in this video. So let's get started, I'll meet you at the inlet. First things first, the inlet adapter. This takes things from factory diameter to 3 inches and serves a dual purpose. For those of you looking to get a little spicier upstream, you can remove this adapter for a true 3-inch to 3-inch connection. Up next is the resonator, present on both the Track and Touring editions. It's a straight through 3-inch resonator whose job is to keep the tones deep and sophisticated, because no one likes a farty 4-cylinder. Next up is the differentiator between Track and Touring editions. The Touring edition features AWE's patented drone canceling 180 technology resonator, and the Track Edition is exactly what it looks like. Since 180 tech is so new to this realm, why don't you grab a shotgun, let's go for a ride. Now that we're in the car, we can see 180 technology in action. That 180 tech resonator you just saw has a straight through design so you don't lose out on performance, but what's really cool is it works to cancel drone frequencies. For instance, we're cruising right now at about 70 miles an hour and you can just barely hear the system on this car. You can still hold a conversation, listen to music, all without sacrificing cabin comfort. Now the Track Edition will be a little rowdier in the cabin. It'll definitely be more pronounced because of the lack of that 180 technology resonator, but there's a little something for everybody. Plus, when you need to hear that system, either one, just go ahead and step on it. And there you have it. Here's what it sounds like from outside the car. Bringing up the rear, our 3-inch piping splits to dual 2.5-inch sections that bring us to our tip outlets. These are individually adjustable in and out as well as up and down, so you can dial in your tip fitment. Not that there's much room for error with these massive 5-inch tips that fill the valence perfectly. But if you do need the adjustment, it's there for you. The tips are double walled and slash cut and come in chrome silver or diamond black. Every exhaust that leaves this building comes standard with our perfect fitment guarantee, no check engine light guarantee, and lifetime warranty. In other words, we got your back. Designed, engineered, and manufactured from T304L stainless, in-house here at AWE for you and your GTI. For more information, dyno data, or to grab a system for yourself, head to awemk8.com. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.